Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. And you know that in parenting series I always try to discuss different issues, aspects related with parenting. And this is my another episode of 9 part. You know that I have segregated my lecture on some parts for the in accordance to the different stage of your child. What should be your techniques and approach in different stages? I want to explore it. That's why I have segregated it, and now I am on part 9 where I am discussing about the marriage of your child. So this is another episode of about marriage of your child, and today I will discuss that a very interesting thing that face every guardians, most of the guardians in this modern time, especially the urban area, that how will they find the life partner for their child. I have discussed on last 2 episodes about the factors should be considered when you will search a bride or groom for your child. But the question raises after that is how should they search, where should they search, and what should be procedure for looking after about bride or groom. We know that the world is being day by day diverse, and as well as we are being departed from our relatives, our society due to urbanization and industrialization. When we are a few days ago in our native area like village, there are a community, but in urban area the community have been changed. There are little bit interaction between the neighbors and other peoples in a territory. That's why it sometimes become very tough to search a life partner for your child, because there are some criteria, all criteria may should not match with the persons who you meet. So you have to search in other areas, but you may have not enough known person or relatives who will help you. Then that time what should you do, what should your approach for the marriage of a child, that how will you look for how will you search for a bride or groom for your child. Today I will discuss about this issue. There are many uh, useful tools like marriage media or online medias, or there are different tools. At first, the best option for you is to search a bride or groom from your known persons, like it may be your friend, your colleague, or neighbors, or your relatives. It is better because when you will go through your known person, on that time you can rely on them, because in this time sometimes there are many misinformation, and some imposter person may misguide you by giving some manipulated information. So when you will find some manipulated information or misinformation, you may be misguided and taking decision wrongly. It will affect on your boy or girl's marital life, and they are creating a lot of problems we are finding in different families. That's why if you have any reliable source, that is better. You will find the actual data, and will some support also about the after process, like introducing and communicating. And if you want to proceed, then the other functions, bargaining and other things may be set easily by them. So reliable person is very important, but it may not be effective for every time. So then what is the second option? The second option may be marriage media. There are a lot of marriage media, especially there are some organized media. You have to be confirmed that the marriage media is authentic and reliable. There are some marriage media who has a long experience and a reputation. You may use that type of marriage media, but if you go through on some local marriage media, it may give you misinformation, or may be cheater, may take money from you but not action actually. So you have to be confirmed that it is not imposter person, it is really a professional person. How you will find it? their reputation, their experience, and others' attitude who have taken service from that marriage media. You can consult with them, and that time you will find the actual helpful tool. Other thing may be internet based. There are some internet based media and other groups like or communities like Facebook or other blogs who help you to search for different brides and grooms. But you should be conscious about the informations. You have to judge it that either the information given on the biodata is right or wrong, and whenever you will find that that's are authentic, on that time you should proceed. How you will find either it is authentic or not? You have to go physically. When you move physically, you will meet with the people around the person's home. It may be bride or groom, their home or their working place. You may communicate informally without giving your identity, or you may go to the universities where they studied. Then you will find the actual informations, and informally when you take the informations, it will better for you to take decision either you proceed or not. So thank you very much. That was my today's discussion about the process of finding brides or grooms in this time. I think you get it beneficial. If you find it some beneficial for you, then watch my other videos and subscribe my channel. I'm welcoming you. Thank you very much. Bye.